Today's mini lesson is going to be about average rate of change. When given a graph, we are sometimes asked how much something has changed over time. When we are finding the change of a variable over time, we are essentially looking for the slope of a specific region. In a specific region, another name for that is an interval. The slope of a specific region or interval, however, is called the average rate of change. This is because we are taking the average of 2 points instead of calculating every point. So for example, the graph below shows the amount of garbage between 1990 and 2015. So let's go ahead and create a point right here to represent 1990. Did the amount of garbage increase more between the year 1990 and 1994, or between the year 1996 and 2000? So 1990 is at this point right here, and 1994 is at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and write the coordinates for 1990, which shows that in 1990, there's about 209,000 tons of garbage. And in 1994, I'm going to say that there's approximately 215,000 tons of garbage. Now, I'm going to label this as X1, X2, Y2, and Y1 and Y2. And we're going to use this formula of calculating a slope that we've learned previously to calculate this average rate of change. So average rate of change is equal to Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. So in this case, we have 215,000 minus 209,000 divided by 1994 minus 1990. And if you put this into your calculator, this becomes 1,500, so 1,500. So there was an increase of 1,500 tons of garbage over the 4 years. So this increased each year. Now, I want to find how much it increased between 1996. So here's 1996 and the year 2000. And I'm going to go ahead and write out the points for that too. So 1996 has about 210,000, while as in the year 2000, there is about 245,000. Okay. So using that same formula, so I'm going to go ahead and label this X1, X2, Y1, Y2. So average rate of change is Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1, which is equal to 245,000 minus 210,000 over 2,000 minus 1996. And if I were to put this into my calculator, I would get 8,750. So that means that between, so I'm going to go ahead and write this to the side, between 1996 to 2000, there was a bigger increase in the amount of garbage. Okay. Oops. In the amount of garbage, I'm sorry. Okay. So go ahead and use this lesson to help you complete the rest of the problem with your partners.